Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to email Instagram's support service. This will help you to get support assistance directly. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile by tapping your picture in the bottom right corner. Here, go ahead and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top and type in help. Here you can choose the options according to your problem. Right now, I'll go ahead and tap on report a problem. And here, Instagram will ask you to go back to where you saw the problem and shake your phone. But if you want to contact them directly, you can use the Gmail called support@instagram.com and write an email to them. And that's it. Now you guys know how to report a problem, send emails to the Instagram app. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.